Pip, force install ignoring dependencies. Is there any way to force install a pip Python package ignoring all its dependencies that cannot be satisfied? I don't care how wrong it is to do so, I just need to do it, any logic and reasoning aside.
Pip has a no dependency switch. You should use that. For more information, run pip install h, where you'll see this line.
When I was trying install librosa package with pip install librosa, this error appeared. I tried to remove LVM Lite, but pip uninstall could not remove it. So, I used capability of ignore of pip by this code. Indeed, you can use this rule for ignoring a package you don't want to consider.
Try the following.
I came up to this question looking for a resolution when first package requires fulib equals 1.1 and second package requires fulib equals 1.0. So incompatible fulib equals 1.2 is forcefully installed, as the newest, during the installation of a second package. The version can be additionally limited with pip install, second underscore package, fulib equals 1.1. Doc.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.